This video is for task 2 of the Google Sheets tutorial. Now that we have our table, let's look at some different formatting that we can do. The number of student by count that's in cell A1 is actually flowing over into what looks like the cell B1. We're actually going to make this be the title of this table, so we want it to stretch across all 4 columns. So select A1, and I want you to drag all the way to where you have selected down to D1. Over here on your bar, you see this box here that kind of looks like it's got arrows in the middle of it. Underneath it says Merge Cells. Select that box. And so what that has done is now merged all cells between A1 and D1 into one giant cell. So now this is one cell here. Let's also center that text. So just like what we've done in all the other Google tools, we're going to go into our more little 3 dots and select the center alignment button. Because this is the title, I think it should also probably be bold, and we can make it a little bit bigger so it stands out. Great. So now let's look at formatting our actual table. So one thing that you can do is you can actually turn on cell borders here. So if I select all of my cells, I can click here, and it'll give me various different borders. So this one will go only around the outer of the cell. This one here would select the outer as well as the insides of the cells. So if I select that one, I now have all of my cells outlined. Another thing that I can also do is alternate the colors of my rows. So under the formatting menu, select alternate colors. The one that's probably most often used is this gray one at the very beginning, but you can also pick a pink, a blue, but we're just going to stick with gray. If you want to select another color, you're more than welcome to. So I'm going to select this first one here. Right now, it's making my header row be a dark gray color. If I wanted my footer row for the totals to be a darker color, I could select that as well. That is up to you. And I'm going to press done. A couple other things I could do to format my table is I could make these titles here bold. But notice when I do that the least favorite color is again too big for the cell, so I'm going to go back up here and make it a little bit bigger. Another thing I can do is I can center these numbers. It's where they appear in the center of the column. You can also bold these or bold the total row. It does not matter. This is just another way to organize and better present your data. Very good. This is the end of task number 2.